All right, good morning, veterans. So we're back again with the analysis on the V75, of course. So this is the VAT team, and we're gonna analyze the V75 market. All right, so let's start as usual. We haven't done analysis for so long, I believe, like a very good amount of months. So, but anyway, we're gonna get back to this. We're gonna do daily analysis on the V75 and any index where we can place and put our orders. Anyway, so let's start with the 4 hour analysis. I usually insist to start with the 4 hour analysis because the 1 day analysis is not, it's not very good. Volatility moves at a very high rate. I mean, very few pips with a very small lot can make a big change in either a loss or a profit. So I suggest you start with the 4 hour. As you can see, this was an uptrend. This was a very good uptrend. So which started from here to here. So then change. I usually start by putting the uh, support and resistance levels. As you can see, this was our top support and resistance. I mean top resistance level, and the bottom one is right here according to where the trend started, and there's lots of them in this chart. There's lots of them, so I usually tell people to stick to the obvious one. um let's see. Just go with the obvious ones, guys. Go with the obvious ones. Just go with the obvious ones. Then you go to the 1 hour. You see, you can do the analysis in with your phone. I mean, if you're in those people who participate in webinars, we usually do the analysis on phone, and everything works out. And I usually share which is the webinars through screen share, which is done on the phone, and works very well because most people trade using their phone. So I don't see, if you have a working strategy, you don't see the need for a laptop or PC. A phone might, or a tablet might work very well. So let's go to the obvious one where the market is right now. So when you go to the 1 hour, you don't want to use you already place our support and resistance. So we're gonna go to the 1 hour. You can adjust your support and resistance level now because you can see it more clearly. So you can adjust support and resistance level, and I usually tell people just to see where the peaks touch. You see where the peaks touch, the candles touch. Just you can adjust this to however you see where there's a lot of candles bouncing back, which mark a resistance level. And I usually tell people that resistance is not this line, it's an area. So the resistance level is maybe an area, maybe one few pips above this line and few pips below. So if the market crosses over this line, that doesn't mean this doesn't apply. This doesn't mark this as a resistance level. It's still a resistance level because it's few pips up and few pips down. So it's a resistance area. I mean, they should change the name to that, like a resistance area. Oh, I don't know, but it's not the line. So the price doesn't have to bounce back on the exact price of this line. So it's usually just near or above. And as long as it's in the same area close to this line, then that's the resistance level. So anyway, let's see what's going on in our market here. As you can see, the market is we're gonna use this one. The market here changed. It changed from it went to an uptrend, then bounced back, I mean, it was an uptrend, then it started like a reverse or something, and then we found this range in market here. So this is like a change in you know, in an uptrend. It was an uptrend, then it started going down. See, it was an uptrend, and then got here, things changed, and then it started going down. Things changed from here, guys. So it started going down. Okay, let me mark with this. It started going down, so I just used this. Started going down, and then I met this earlier, bounced the support level, then again it went up. As you can see, guys, this is an obvious resistance level. What's happening here, you can obviously see it. Sorry, my phone is in dark mode, so I find this pretty one much easier for people to see. Anyway, you will let me know. I'm gonna share this on a boost group, but I can share. I will share this on the channel, but on our YouTube channel, I mean. So anyway, everyone will be able to see this. Is a free analysis anyway, but we usually do all this in webinars. So if you're ready, you can join the webinars. Very cheap, and it's worth it. Anyway, it bounced back, and then now it's going down, but it's going down in a ranging way. So the ranging market in the V75 is usually not a good market. So everyone knows that. Not everyone probably, but I know that. The VAT veterans know that. So it's a ranging market. It's going down in a lot of ups and downs. So this is one of the good ways to know where the price might you know, just mark your range in market. Let's go to 1 hour for a clear view. Just mark your range in market. Yeah, guys, you don't have to go. Don't use the peaks. I repeat again, don't use the peaks. I mean, don't mark your support and resistance level using the peaks. Okay, by the peaks I mean this. Let me show you. Using this now, go on the body. Go on the body, where the body is, where the body of the candle stops, not the peaks, not the wick or the peaks. Don't use the wick. So when you adjust your support or your trend line, so this is a resistance trend line. So usually put where the line touches the most body. There's a low, like there has to be body, has to be, you know, conjunction of candles. So yeah, so where there's a body and where there's a lot of candle touching the line, but that's not that this is an area, guys. So this doesn't mean that it didn't bounce back here, guys. This is an area, so it's an area maybe from here to here. It's an area, but use the bodies, to mark the to mark your trend line, because it will be easy for you to know where the price changed and everything. Yeah. So yeah, there is a law called BCW when putting the trend line and the support lines. B stands for body. Just place your line where the candle touches a lot of, where the line touches a lot of body of the candles, and also where the line C is for conjunction, where the line touches a lot of congested candle. Like here, there's like a lot of candles here, which is, they are wicks, by the way. So a lot of wicks touching this area. So yeah, this applies as a marks this as a good place to place, other good way to place this trend line. Also, W stand for weeks, so just put where the, you know, a lot of wicks also touches or comes near to the line, but make sure the body fast, guys. So yeah, this, as you can see here, this is all this market has been bouncing back and forth in this back and forth in this range, guys. This is our range in market. So to determine where you place your entry, guys, you have to be patient here. Just wait, because you have to know if it's a downtrend or it's an uptrend. So we will know if it's an uptrend if then we will enter our trade. Don't enter the trade now. If this price crosses over this line, let's say this, my arrow here stands for the price movement. So if it crosses this line, just wait, and then it will bounce back to this line or near to that line. Does it have to touch the line or below? And then when it goes up, then know that you can you can place your trades. You can place your trades, guys. You can place your trades. But if it touches this line, comes near to this line a little above, and then it goes down, that doesn't apply. Now if you see with the wicks which are like over, that doesn't apply. Just wait for it to bounce and then start going up again, then you can place your trade. If it bounces back and if it goes up above and it goes way straight down, then nah, don't. But if it bounces again, I mean to this trend line, which is can be a support or resistance depending where the price is, then you're gonna have to let it go up. I mean, if it goes up, then you're gonna buy at some place here. Just wait for it to bounce back from this area for the pullback, and then you will buy. If it goes straight down, then don't. Know that this is still in a ranging market, or it's gonna be a downtrend. But also, if you know the market which might go down, maybe if you're looking for wait, what if it goes down? Then the same rule applies. Guess this is analysis might look simple, but it's very accurate, and nothing beats this. We will post the result and you will see. So it goes below this line, wait for it to come back near the line or below, just below the line, I mean the area near the trend line, and then if it goes back again down, that means you can sell. You can sell. That, yeah, that means you can sell. So what does it show? It shows that here it shows like the bulls and bears are like fighting, deciding where the trend should go. The bulls gonna win this or the bears. So this marks that if the price goes below, the bears, they have a good momentum and volume, but if it goes back to retest, mean the bulls are trying to take back the market. But if they fell to this support and resistance area, it's a resistance area, and it goes down, then the bears won. That's why we sell. The same applies here, vice quite the contrary actually. So if it goes up, means the bulls are in power. They went above the support area, they broke the support trend line here, out of the range. So if it goes back, it shows that the bears are trying to win the market back. But if they fail at the support or resistance at the support level and the bulls take over, then it shows that the bulls are in control, and then this market is a clear uptrend, guys. It's a very clear uptrend. You can buy and go with it, guys. You can buy and go with the market. So yeah, that's it. That's all. So just wait, guys, just wait. I know some people might like to rush with V75 and just go directly and buy any place they see using the strategies. Maybe they were told by their mentors, but this is very accurate analysis which for a deep analysis using our indicators. We do that in the webinars. I cannot do here, but this is the most accurate analysis I can give you guys. So I'm gonna screenshot this and post this in the channel. Also, I'm gonna post the video in the YouTube channel. So anyway, veterans, so good luck pressing these trades and everything.